Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Oppo runs Android 9 or newer. This feature only exists there. Once checked, make a quick backup of network profiles and ensure you have a working Wi-Fi or mobile connection. Next, go directly to Settings, then Wi-Fi and Internet or more connection settings. This gets you to private DNS. You do this now because a live connection validates DNS responses immediately. If you skip verification, you won't know whether the change applied. Now you enter the provider hostname. Android requires a hostname for DNS over TLS, so don't paste an IP address. Pick a trusted provider such as 1.1.1.1, Cloudflare DNS, COM or DNS, Google, or a private hostname you control. Type that exact host into the private DNS provider field, then save. The system immediately attempts a TLS negotiation to the server. If negotiation succeeds, DNS traffic moves over encrypted. Finish by verifying the change. Open a browser and run a DNS leak test or load different domains to confirm encrypted resolution. If results aren't using the new server, reboot the phone, clear DNS or browser caches, and try toggling airplane mode. These force reconnection. Make sure the hostname is spelled correctly and that your provider supports DNS over TLS. Many servers reject plain IPs. If trouble continues, switch to another known hostname to isolate whether it's the provider or the device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.